Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and part 3, or box 3, however you want to describe it, but of 2021-22 Upper Deck O-Pee-Chee Hockey. So yeah, first two boxes haven't been too bad. No relic or manufactured relic in box 2, but there's still some decent stuff. But if you want to go ahead and check that video out if you didn't already look at it, it'd be awesome. And then if you like it, feel free to click that like button. So that way I know you enjoy what you're seeing. But again, we'll just hop right into it. Just like in box 2, we'll kind of breeze through the base. First marquee rookie of Logan Thompson. For the Lightning, and Mackenzie Blackwood retro. And a John Tavares tall boy. The rest of the base. Lafreniere. Ovechkin retro. Jordan Kyrou blue parallel. I haven't even noticed if I pulled that goof by Upper Deck. I don't think I've seen the team checklist for the Coyotes. Jacob Markstrom. Is this going to be Brad Marchand? Nope, Dave Pastrnak. Tenna Spade. Getting a lot of spades and clubs. Not many hearts or diamonds. Halak. Radim Zorna. Probably marquee rookie. Patrice Bergeron. Retro and a Colin White blue border. Again, nothing else there. Matisse Samuelsson, retro rookie. Hampus Lindholm, retro. I will say that this year's packs are a lot easier to open than last year's. Season highlight, Marc-Andre Fleury, Anze Kopitar retro, and an Alex Newhook marquee rookie blue. We'll sleeve that up since it's a rookie. Come on. Slide in. Corpusalo, nobody else special there. That was the end of the right-hand stack. On to the middle stack. Joey Keane, marquee rookie. Clayton Keller. And our next, it's a Leaf. Is it Tavares? Nope, Mitch Marner. So the Clayton Keller retro, and then a Mitch Marner 9 of diamonds. So there, I got some red cards now. Red suits. Still no Joker. Dang. Zach Ashton Reese, retro, and a blue. Mika Zibanejad. Oh, a rookie review of Hoglander, Colton Sissons, and Quinn Hughes. So yeah, seeing that one, they must have done them team colors for those. I just never picked up on it in the first box. And no Zegras yet. Lane Peterson, marquee rookie. Jordan Stahl. Kudobin, blue. No Swayman. Another Eichel. Sharks, retro, and a Dylan Larkin. 3 of diamonds. Another Kudobin. Rasmus Kupari, marquee rookie. A Luke Kunin, retro. And a nice Connor McDavid, tall boy. Last pack in the middle sack. Retro, or sorry, not ret. Yeah. No, that's the regular team checklist. Alex Nedeljkovic for the Hurricanes. Retro, and then an Alex Ovechkin blue. Another Zibanejad. Getting down to the bottom here. It's not looking good, this box. This looks like it's going to be the worst. Tim Stützle, second year. Robbie Fabry, retro. Radek Faska, red. Not a blank back. Down to the last 4. Gotta get some numbered cards here. Dave Pastrnak, season highlight at the Winter Classic there. Does it actually say anything about it being... No, it doesn't really tell you. Tristan Jarry, retro. Anze Kopitar, 7 of hearts. What was it, Lake Tahoe? That they did it at, and they had to delay it a day because it was unseasonably warm the day of the games. Oh, we got our first black this box. Canucks team checklist, Connor McDavid retro, Brendan Dillon, black border, 84 of 100. Mantha Matthews Marner. Okay, getting down to it. Next to the last pack. Oh, we got this one's a weird one. Got the Lafreniere rookie season review, and then the Romanov, and that's the update with last year's design. Because again, if you compare the two together, you see the two different designs. So even though this is stamped with 2021-22 O-Pee-Chee, that it's technically last year's. Josh Norris, his second year. That was just a weird pack because everything was up towards the front instead of in the middle. Oh, we got a green. So what do we got here? Tyson Barrie, league leader. Alex Tuck, retro. And Gabe Velarde, neon green, 32 of 50. I guess that was the second numbered card in the box. And still just 4 numbered. Stasny, Barry, Vasilevsky. So, only had one retro rookie, the Matthias Samuelsson. For the 4 playing cards, we got the Kopitar, 7 of hearts, Dylan Larkin, 3 of diamonds, Mitch Marner, 9 of diamonds, Dave Pastrnak, 10 of spades. For the tall boys, the rookie update, Romanov, Connor McDavid, Quinn Hughes, John Tavares. And then the other notable hits were for the 2 numbered, the Gabe Velarde, 32 of 50, neon green. The black border, Brendan Dillon, 84 of 100. Radek Faska, the red, and then the only blue rookie, marquee rookie of Alex Newhook for the Avs. So yeah, the first box was probably the best out of all 3, for sure. But anyway, that concludes this break of 2021-22 O-Pee-Chee hockey. So, hope you all enjoyed this break, and as always, have a great rest of your day, and keep collecting.